Hi, I'm Dean Edwards and welcome to Proper Food. Get ready to chuck out those granules because in today's video recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make a proper gravy. Now a proper gravy always starts in a roasting tray. So now I've roasted off this beautiful joint of pork, which I'm going to put aside to rest. Now come and check out the magic in this tray. So in the bottom of the tray, making a trivet, I've got carrot, celery, onion, fresh thyme, some bay leaves, a head of garlic, and a really good splash of water that will stop the vegetables burning. Now what you need to do is get some heat underneath the pan and then sprinkle in a tablespoon of plain flour. This is going to help thicken our gravy. And then just give this a little bit of a stir, just making sure all the ingredients are combined. Now once the flour's had about a minute or two just to cook out, we're going to add in our wine. So you want around 400 ml. Give that a really good stir and then let that reduce down for around 3 or 4 minutes. Next up, we're going to add our chicken stock, around 800 ml, into the tray. Bring that up to a simmer and let it bubble away for around 5 minutes. Look at this. So it's reduced down now. It's gone beautiful and silky. So what I'm going to do now is just pass this through a sieve into a gravy boat. And I just know this is going to be packed full of so much flavour. Proper gravy. And now it's time to serve. So I've got my beautiful pork joint, got some roasters, some cabbage. Have a listen to that. Incredible. Look at that. Beautiful chop. So I'm just going to pop this onto my serving plate and then we are ready for the gravy. So here we go. And there you have my proper gravy. Perfect for a Sunday roast. Now if you like this recipe, it's down in the description, but make sure you like the video and hit the subscribe button for me. And I will see you next week for more easy recipes on Proper Food.